Money, it's the tool everyone needs, but very few truly understand how to use. Most people spend their entire life working for money, but never figure out how to make money work for them. In today's video, I'm going to break down a very simple money formula, one that can take you from working hard just to pay bills, to building true wealth and financial freedom. Stay with me till the end, because this isn't just theory, this is a roadmap you can start applying today. Number 1. Work brings you money. First, let's talk about work. Work is where money begins. Whether you're working a job, running a small business, or freelancing, your work is your starting point. But here's the problem, most people stop here. They think money is only about trading time for dollars. That's a trap. Real-life example, John works 40 hours a week, makes $4,000 a month, but his expenses eat it all up. He works hard, but he's not moving forward. Why? Because he hasn't learned the formula beyond step 1. Number 2, money buys you assets. Step 2 is critical, money should not just buy you things, it should buy you assets. Assets are things that put money back in your pocket. Stocks and index funds that grow over time. Rental property that pays you every month. A business that earns money even while you sleep. Story, imagine Sarah. She saves $500 each month, invests in index funds, and in 10 years, she has over $100,000 working for her. That's an asset building wealth, not just sitting in a savings account. Number 3. Assets bring you wealth. When you start stacking assets, that's when real wealth begins. Wealth is not just about having a big income. Wealth is measured by how long you can live without working. If you stopped working today, how long could your money sustain you? Example, Mark and Emily both earn $80,000 a year. Mark spends all of it. Emily invests 20% in assets. In 15 years, Emily has financial security, while Mark is still paycheck to paycheck. Same income, different formula. Number 4. Wealth brings you freedom. And finally, the most powerful step, wealth brings freedom. Freedom means choosing what work you do, spending more time with family, retiring early or traveling the world, living life on your terms. Money doesn't buy happiness, but it buys freedom, and freedom creates happiness. Example, Lisa built wealth through real estate. Now, instead of working 40 hours a week, she works 10 hours, spends time with her kids, and does charity work. That's real freedom. So here's the formula once again. Work brings money. Money buys assets. Assets build wealth. Wealth creates freedom. If you master this formula, your life will never be the same. Which step are you at right now? Comment below, I want to know your journey. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more financial wisdom, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Because remember, the earlier you start applying this formula, the faster you reach freedom.